Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to set device type for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro 4 on your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon near to your earbuds. And at the second line we have device type line, so click at this line. And in this window we need to select headphone by just tap at this line also. And we just set them, so if we go back we can see that this device use headphone device type, so we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!